Hi my loves and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I will be taking you guys along with me a very normal productive evening routine. I logged off from work at 5:30. It's now 6:30 and I want to just get on with my regular productive routine after work. I'm working from home today, so I didn't have to do the commute, but still I've managed to waste an hour and a half just going shopping and doing some errands that I needed to run. So we're going to be productive from now. I have dinner to make, studying to do, I need to pack and prep for the office tomorrow, and I also wanted to go gym. I don't think gym is going to happen, and that's okay, that's fine. I love how I said like I need to make dinner and I'm literally just making noodles. But anyways, they're really tasty. Okay, I have just had my dinner and now I need to study. I am currently studying criminal law at my university, so I am just going to be doing some reading through the content and through my notes. I have my exam in January, so it's not like really urgent, but because I'm doing an apprenticeship where I'm working and studying at the same time, I just don't want to leave it until last minute because I know there'll probably be some work project that I'll be working on or something that will come up and I'm going to kick myself asking myself why I didn't do it sooner. So that's what we're going to do now. Okay, I'm freezing, but let's go make some tea. I've got my tea now. I like to have time every day after logging off where I can just drink my tea, watch some YouTube and just wind down for the evening. Having that is what gets me through having to study and going to the gym and doing all the other things. So I really look forward to this time. I try and have this every day, so it just gives me something to look forward to. But yeah, so I'm just gonna have my tea and have some biscuits and probably watch some YouTube. I am going into the office tomorrow, and it's usually quite a long commute for me, so it takes an hour and a half. So I usually wake up pretty early, well 7, which is early for me, so I probably won't sleep too late today. And then I'm just trying to make sure that all my my stuff is all prepped. I wanted to do my hair, but I'm feeling a bit lazy, so I'm not sure if I will do my hair. I might just leave it like this for today. For tomorrow I might just sleep in it and then see how it styles itself in the morning tomorrow. But I have packed my bag and I've done everything, so that's good. And yeah, now I'm just gonna watch some YouTube and wind down from all the studying which I did. Once I've chosen what I'm going to wear to the office for the next day, I usually just hang it up on my cupboard because it makes having to dress up in the morning a whole lot easier. So this is the fit for tomorrow. It's just a regular top with this colour skirt and then a grey hoodie sweatshirt type thing with some tights. So I'm just gonna hang this on there. It's that, and that is that. Now I'm just gonna get changed and then we can start our skincare. Okay, my skincare is all done, as you can see. I have started putting castor oil on my eyelashes and like every night, and it honestly makes the biggest difference. It just makes them so much longer and a lot thicker, so that's really helped. But now I am just going to read my book and just begin my winding down process for the evening. So I'm just going to read, I might journal a little bit, and then I'm going to watch some TV, and then I'm just going to go to sleep. But thank you so much for watching today's vlog, and please do like and subscribe if you would like more videos like this. Have a good rest of the week, guys. Love you. Bye.